You asked, how to divide 3258 by 3 using the long division method. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1086.